A warm welcome to another new episode on your favorite show, #Showbiz. With me, Usha. Like I always say, what happens here never stays here. But today, I'm not just going to say a warm welcome to you all. I'm going to say namaste, namaskara, namaskaram, sastriyakal, and a huge welcome. Yes, why you guys wondering there's so many languages that she's saying hello to us in? Yes, because we are going to be talking about a legend who has performed in many languages. Are you guys ready? We are going to be celebrating. We are going to be celebrating the life of a legend that each and every one of us know, and we've probably grown up listening to his songs and enjoyed his songs. Yes, we are going to be talking about the legendary singer Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam. Yes, you're going to be enjoying this episode. Like I always say, get that cup of tea or chai or maybe a glass of wine, sit down and enjoy the show. So, to celebrate the life of Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam sir, we had to have a person who absolutely adores him, who loves him, who claims that he is his Lord, but also sings in a very similar texture of S.P. Balasubramanian sir, none other than Simhadri Santabennur. Thank you so much and welcome to this episode of #Showbiz.
Oh my God. This is the ultimate gesture that I have seen from you people, and the humble and simple way of contributing my way of saying, sir, you always live in my heart, and you always live in the hearts of the entire humanity and the people who love music. As long as music lives, S.P. Balasubramaniam sir always lives. This is my way of saying my thanks to the greatest human being that I have seen in my life.
So yeah, that was amazing. That was so humble of you to say it. But I want to introduce you, like I was saying earlier, Simhadri ji or Simhadri Avare, I should say. You sing in a lot of languages, very akin to SPB sir or Balu Anna. There's so many names for our favorite person we're going to talk about. And that was one of the reasons when I thought about the incident that happened last week, I actually texted you the day this happened and I said, how are you doing? Because I know you love him.
Yes.
And I felt celebrating his life would definitely start with you. So thank you so much for being here.
For me to be here to express my few words about my Lord Balu sir is the best time in my life. That's it.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So today we're going to be talking about, like we say, Balu sir. We're going to talk about his journey. 54 years of musical journey. 54 years and how many songs?
40,000 plus songs.
40,000 plus songs. We definitely can do justice in our show, but we're going to try to do a little bit of justice. So I'm going to tell all of you, as you guys watch this show, as a tribute to him, keep typing out the songs you liked as well. We would love to relive his music through the songs you loved. So keep doing that, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. What do you say? Right?
Absolutely. That's the least that we could do for a legend who lived not only for himself, but who lived for the world.
Yes.
And he gave the best treasure and the gift for the mankind with his music, unconditional music. He has not left us.
Right.
He has just left his body, but he has left all of us with his greatest music, and which will remain as long as music remains in this world.
Definitely.
That is the beauty of the legendary Balu sir.
Very well said. And that's a treasure. And like we say, He is a singer who has sung many languages. So we'll progress through all the languages and we'll focus on it. And like I said, we have audiences of all languages, right? Listening to us and watching the show. Please feel free to share with all your friends your favorite songs. Balu sir, I think you had the opportunity to meet him. So we would like to know about your experience. So can you share a few words about his experience?
Absolutely. Any child, when the child gets a chocolate of its favorite flavor, you cannot go wrong with that. And the same feeling I got when I met Balu sir for the first time in my life in 2006 in Baltimore. And I had the opportunity of spending almost about a couple of hours with him personally
Nice.
in his room, hotel room, one-on-one, of course, with my wife and Arun, the drummer, and his wife. And that was the best moment of my life. Balu sir shared all beautiful moments of his life, what his journey in his music life was, and what he was told by his wife. Most important, I'll tell you, his wife always used to tell him, please don't open the laptop in the aircraft because by the time you get down, your eyes are so swollen after listening to Muhammad Rafi songs that people think that you really are not feeling good. You are feeling sick. But Balu sir said, without listening to Muhammad Rafi songs, my journey never completes. He said, I always listen to his songs every time I go, and my journey is with Muhammad Rafi sir. And he's the greatest, I can say, human being who always adored Rafi Sahab as the best singer, not only the singer,
Yes.
the god of songs, and a person of his stature. Considering Rafi Sahab as the god of songs itself is a privilege for all of us to know what Balu sir is all about.
Yes. So Simhadri, can you share a few words about your experience when you met SPB sir?
SPB sir is the humblest person that I think I have ever met in my life of his stature. A person who probably the best for the mankind in the industry of music.
Right.
And when I sat with him, he was like a small child. He shared the best of his time with me. Who am I? I'm an ordinary human being.
Right.
A person of that stature to spend 2 hours of his personal time itself is the greatest gift that I think I have gotten in my life after the birth that my mother gave to me. That's it.
Awesome. Very well
That's
said.
it. These are the
Beautiful.
two things. That's it.
And you actually have met him more than once.
Oh yeah, absolutely. In fact, when I met him in Bangalore also, I met him in Bangalore during a show. That was a fundraising program. He was doing a show. That show was for raising the funds to help people suffering from blood problems.
Okay.
Okay, and he never charged money for the program.
yeah.
Every penny that he charged that during that program went to the entire fraternity that
Yes.
was raising for the funds.
Yes.
And
And I've heard that quite a bit about Balu sir, that he used to do a lot of fundraising where he didn't keep any percentage of the money. He gave 100% proceeds to the organization. That's commendable.
not once or twice, he has done it umpteen number of times.
Right.
I've seen it and have experienced it, and have known from the fraternity of my musicians.
Right.
Balu sir used to come. Are you doing this program for this organization? Please don't give any check to me. Give the entire fund to the kids or the
Amazing.
organization. We can never find a human being like that in our life. Just like Muhammad Rafi sir.
Right.
Similarly, he has the same incident. He says, like, zero. I don't want money. I want the money to go to the organization. That's exactly what he said.
Like you were hearing, there's going to be a lot of conversation about SPB sir, but I know you're waiting to hear his songs. I know you're waiting to know about his life. So let's move on. We'll actually move on. We're going to do, like I said, language to language. So we're now going to move into Hindi. So we'll start with Bollywood. We'll start with his, of course, that wasn't his entry, but we'll start with Hindi. That's a language everybody understands, and there are many songs that we talk about.
Absolutely.
So his entry into Bollywood was with Lakshmi Kanji and Pyare Lal ji. And he started with the movie, yes, you guys got it? Ek Duje Ke Liye. Ek Duje Ke Liye. Actually, his entry song into Bollywood wasn't a song. And he always says that. I didn't actually sing for the first song, but I had to speak. But he had to speak in a song, साक्षात सरस्वती जी हमारी लता मंगेशकर जी, उनके जो गाने पे उनको 2-3 बोल जो बोलना था तमिल में, यस, एक दूजे के लिए. सो इट वाज द सॉन्ग तेरे मेरे बीच में लता जी गा रहे थे. बालू सर से सम तमिल वर्ड्स. So can I ask you to tell us what those words were?
That's very nice. Like, he said, நீ ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கே. And Lataji said, ये rumba क्या है? Oh
क्या
my
बात है,
God.
Lataji क्या was maybe
That Lataji was like, she was shy. Like, when Lataji said, ये rumba क्या है? ये rumba, he said, like, with his only beautiful gestures, he made it look like. Most of the time, the actors, they said, like, our 80% of the acting was completed with Balu's songs.
Yes, absolutely.
20% was our acting. That was the greatness of Balu sir.
And he was an actor too.
Most of the actors said, like, 80% of our acting was completed with our acting on the screen with his songs.
Yes.
20% was our performance on the screen. That's it.
Right.
What else can you ask
I
for?
know. I think basically because he put all his emotions in the songs and he had all the acting come out, the actors really lucked out. So that's a good observation. So Sinmadri, when, like I said, he got his first shot in Bollywood with Ek Duje Ke Liye and singing the few words, right? For Lataji's Tere Mere Beech Mein, he said this was like actually a nervous moment for SPB sir. Of course, right? First time singing in Bollywood and actually singing with Lataji. Kya baat hai? Sakshat Saraswati, she came to the studio and he was ready, excited and everything. But the second he saw her, he got nervous. He said, even though I had 13 to 15 years of experience in South Indian music industry, as soon as I saw her, I said, can I do this? And there's a story that he had chai, garam chai, helps all of us to sing better. And he spilled the chai on the crisp white sari of Lataji.
He did, yes.
And he was so scared. अरे बाप रे, मैंने ऐसे कर दिया, चलो मेरा बॉलीवुड का ना ठिकाना, it's gone. I'm not going to be anybody in Bollywood. But she blessed him. And I think the fact that he actually mentioned that and he said, I got blessings from Lataji, even though I spilled chai on her sari. It's a beautiful story, definitely. We'll actually move on a little bit more to his Hindi Bollywood journey in music. So let's talk about Maine Pyar Kiya. The voice for Hamare Sallu. Yes, Salman Khan. Maine Pyar Kiya entry किया उन्होंने बालू सर के गाने के साथ.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
With a पहला पहला प्यार है, पहली पहली बार है.
और एक फरमाइश उस मूवी से, मेरे रंग में.
मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली परी हो या हो, परियों की रानी या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी. मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो ना।
जी हाँ, दो ना, ये गाना
ना।
कॉलेज के कितने सारे लड़के उनके प्यार को इजहार किया होगा कि ये मेरा सवाल है, जवाब दे दो ना। क्या बात है। अच्छा, तो वी मूव ऑन टू अनदर फेवरेट ऑफ आवर बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स। बहुत काफ़ी गाने हैं, तो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू सॉरी, काफ़ी गाने हैं, पर हम आज के इस शो में लैंग्वेजेस कवर करने वाले, तो मैं कहती हूँ कि अगला गाना, आके तेरी बाहों में हर शाम लगे सिंदूरी। क्या बात है। और फिर लव, इन द मूवी लव विथ रेवती एंड सलमान खान, वो बेंचेस पे, द स्पोर्ट्स स्टेडियम पे बेंचेस पे ये गाना गाते, वो कौन सा पता चला आपको?
साथिया ये तूने क्या किया,
बेलिया ये तूने क्या किया,
मैंने किया
तेरा
इंतजार,
इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार।
इतना करो
अरे
ना मुझे प्यार।
अरे बाप रे, कितना नॉस्टैल्जिया हो रहा है। एक रिक्वेस्ट है मेरे से, तेरे मेरे बीच में वी टॉक्ड अबाउट लता जी, बट he actually got requested by Lakshmikant ji to sing this in full. That was his first solo song in
Solo
Bollywood.
song, yes.
तो वो गाना 2 लाइंस हो जाए प्लीज।
तेरे मेरे बीच में, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, मैंने
हाय,
नहीं
हाय, हाय।
जाना, तूने नहीं जाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना।
क्या बात है, अमेजिंग। उफ, ऐसे चलती रहेगी, उनकी जो गाने दिए हैं उससे ज़िंदगी चलती रहेगी। तो अब हम जाते हैं, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू तेलुगु। तेलुगु सॉन्ग्स बोलते बोलते ही एक मूवी फटक से, you know, I just remember that movie first. And Dum Dum Dum, do you guys get it? Shankarabharanam. Shankarabharanam. If you talk SPB Telugu,
Without a doubt,
right?
he created history for himself in the movie Shankarabharanam,
Yes.
and I have the best regards for S.P. sir for his songs from Shankarabharanam, and this is the tribute that I can give for him. Shankara नाद शरीरा परा, वेद विहारा हरा जीवेश्वरा, शंकरा नाद शरीरा परा, वेद विहारा हरा जीवेश्वरा, शंकरा।
Awesome. And if you did not notice, Simadri ji is classically trained, and you probably got that from his song that he sang just now. Amazing, beautiful voice, Simadri ji. Will carry on his musical adventure in Telugu film industry. So what about Swati Mutyam?
Swati Mutyam is a golden hit of his era. Like, you know, all the songs from Swati Mutyam, Shankarabharanam, Sagara Sangamam were unique. Nobody can even touch him. Like, you know,
Right.
That was the greatest quality of Balu sir's singing. And if I say Swati Mutyam, Manasu Kalipe Prema Geetam Neevela, Manasu Kalipe Swati Mutyam Neevela. So he goes on and on. There is nothing. As I said, the actor had to do only 20% of his acting on the screen.
Yes.
80% Balu sir used to cover for them.
Right. Actually, acting ke baare mein, we're talking about acting that he emoted, right? In his acting, he actually acted.
Yes, he did.
And let's talk about when we're in Telugu bracket, let's talk about Mithunam. That was another movie that he acted in. Many movies he's acted, but Mithunam, recent movie, I would say, he actually acted with Hamari Julie Lakshmi. They're empty nesters, I would say. The kids have left to US, familiar story. But how do they manage? How do they manage their lives? Beautiful. And he was such a cute role.
Very cute combination of an elderly couple.
Yes.
That enjoy their life. When the kids leave them and go, we don't have anything else now to do. All we have to do is enjoy our life with good food, with good pickle,
Yes.
with good pappadam, all those things.
So, as we're talking about Telugu industry, it's very important that we share at this point how he actually started his music journey. So, as we all know, he was starting to be an engineer, like most of us here, right? He was in an engineering college, and then rest is history because he was in a competition, right? Music competition, and he won awards and he got recognition from none other than S. Janki Amma, right? And she got him. And how many duets have they sung together?
Is incredible. He himself was recognized by the legendary singer, the playback singer, we call Janki Amma. When a person is blessed by a stature of that caliber, nobody can go wrong.
Yeah.
And S.P. Balasubramaniam was blessed by Janki Amma. And when he won the award in the music competition by Janki Amma as a judge, he felt, oh, I think I can do.
Yes, I think I can sing.
And apparently, he ended up singing the maximum number of duets with Janki Amma.
Yes.
And he trained him in singing the most romantic duets. How the romantic songs should be sung was taught by Janki Amma to Balu sir.
So, what you're saying, maybe the acting piece for the music probably got influenced by Janki Amma?
He has told many times that his singing career in romantic songs was completely influenced by Janki Amma's, probably I can say the most important word. You have to sing like this. You have to sing like this. When she used to tell me, no sala baga padalaba. That's when she said, oh, okay, fine, I have to correct myself. That's when he said, I have to correct myself. That's when he corrected himself. He used to go back home and then practice 10, 15 times,
Right.
come back and then sing with Janki Amma, who says, yes, now you're doing justice to your song.
Awesome. I think that was a grooming that Janki Amma gave. And if you don't know Janki Amma, I'm going to say she is, I would say, the Lata Mangeshkar of South India.
No,
Amazing.
The best singer anyone can have
Yeah.
in this mankind. That's
Right.
it, in humanity.
Amazing. Beautiful. So, Simhadri, there's a song request from the studio audience. There's a song request that we wanted to hear in your voice. And this, I would say to the audience, you know Shankar Mahadevan's Breathless. This, I would say, is very akin to that one. So, I'm going to ask you to please sing Mate Rani.
Oh my God, that's one of the Balasar's favorite and my favorite too. మాటే రాని చిన్నదాని కళ్ళు పలికే ఊసులు అందాలన్నీ పల్లవించి ఆలపించే పాటలు ప్రేమే నాకు పంచే జ్ఞాపకాలురా రేగే మూగ తలుపే వలపు పంటరా మాటే రాని చిన్నదాని కళ్ళు పలికే ఊసులు అందాలన్నీ పల్లవించి ఆలపించే పాటలో.
Wow, amazing. So we'll move on to Kannada film industry. Kannada film industry andaga navibru Kannada matartivi. So definitely his entry, I would say, like the hit songs that he has sung, numerous Kannada hit songs, and he always, I'm going to be a little bit favorite for Kannada because absolutely I'm a Kannadiga, and I would say he has said many times, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ, right? So let's talk about his journey in Kannada film industry. So can you share a few songs or music directors that he loved?
Absolutely. Even though he was born in Andhra Pradesh and settled down in Tamil Nadu, he always said, the people from Karnataka and Kannadigas, I don't know what I did to Kannadigas. They have given me the best place in my life.
Yeah.
I have sung the maximum number of songs in my life in Kannada. And what a treat it is for Kannadigas.
Right.
And for a person to say that itself is a treat for all of us.
Yeah.
And the songs that he has given in Kannada, every one is a gem.
Oh yes.
Not just a gem,
Yeah.
a shining diamond for the rest of our lives.
Exactly. And I think it'll be very difficult for us to choose and say, I like this and I don't like this. Can never say that. But we're going to do a little bit justice, singing or humming some of our favorite songs.
Absolutely.
So actually, Hamsalekha he had SPB and Ravichandran in the famous movie Premaloka. He got the best hits out of the musical that he created.
That created a kind of different history in the industry of Kannada music.
Right.
ಅದು ಹಂಸಲೇಖ ಅವರು, ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ದೆಸೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಏನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೇಮಲೋಕದಿ ಹೌದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಇದು ಹಾಡಬೇಡಿಪ್ಪ ನೀವು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 1 2 3 4. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕೇಳಮ್ಮ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ, ನೀನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರೋದು ಓದುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ, ಹುಡುಗರಿರ ಕಾಲೇಜು ನೀನಿನ್ನ ಟೀನೇಜು, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ನೀನಿನ್ನ ಟೀನೇಜು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಹಂಸಲೇಖ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಸರ್ ಇದೊಂಚೂರು ಆ್ಯಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದು. ಆವಾಗ ಬಾಲು ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಅವ್ರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 1 2 3 ಏನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕೇಳಮ್ಮ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಅವರು he can modulate his voice to different actors.
Awesome. Amazing, right? And that was Hamsalekha's. But what about Rajan Nagendra?
ಕನಸಲು ನೀನೆ ಮನಸಲು ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನಾಣೆ ನಿನ್ನಾಣೆ ನನ್ನಾಣೆ ನಿನ್ನಾಣೆ ಒಲಿದ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಿಡುವೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಇನ್ನು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನಿನ್ನನೆಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ.
Beautiful songs, right? And actually one of his favorite songs, ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಗುರಿ.
Our Hamsalekha sir and SP sir, they created history by singing this song because this has a meaning for the value of life. ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬುಗುರಿ ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿ ಕಣೋ, ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬುಗುರಿ ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿ ಕಣೋ, ನಿಂತಾಗ ಬುಗುರಿಯಾಟ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಓಟ, ಕಾಲ ಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕಣೋ. ಓ, ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬುಗುರಿ ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿ ಕಣೋ.
And definitely, the song translates to exactly what we're going through.
Exactly.
God is the controller of everything that's happening today.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
It's so hones in. One duet I want to definitely sing with you today, especially with SPB Special, my favorite of SPB and S. Janaki in Kannada. Joteyali, jote joteyali iruvenu hige endu.
ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವೆನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು.
ಎಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ಇಂದು ನೀ, ಎಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಭಾವನೆ ನೀನೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ,
ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು. ಲಾ 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 ಲಾ.
Such a beautiful Western touch to this song.
Absolutely.
Beautiful song.
Ilayaraja sir, absolutely, hats off to him.
Before we move on to the next language, I have to ask you for singing this peppy number of Kannada. Peppy number of Kannada, please.
ಕೂರಕ್ಕು ಕಳ್ಳಿಕೆರೆ ವಾವ, ತೇಲಕ್ಕ ರಂಜಿಕೆರೆ ವಾವ, ಕೂರಕ್ಕು ಕಳ್ಳಿಕೆರೆ ತೇಲಕ್ಕ ರಂಜಿಕೆರೆ ಲವ್ವಿಗೆ ಈ ಲವ್ವಿಗೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮೈಸೂರಿನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು.
Amazing, yes. So this is the jadoo, I would say, of SPB sir. Melody, emotional, sentimental, and he'll make you dance on the floor.
The best romantic songs that you can hear from him. ನಾನು ನೀನು ಒಂದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೇಕೆ ನೀ ದೂರ ಹೋಗುವೆ.
Amazing.
ಮುತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಣ್ತುಂಬ ನಾನೋಡುವೆ. ನಾನು ನೀನು ಒಂದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೇಕೆ ನೀ ದೂರ ಹೋಗುವೆ.
Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going to move on to Tamil. Tamil songs as well. Like we say, we don't know which state he belongs to, because all of us try to pull him and say he's from our language, right? And that's exactly what he did. He's like that mother who cannot choose her children. He's part of all of us, right? So Tamil Nadu, of course, he has sung and contributed a lot of beautiful, beautiful songs. And I'll tell you, guaranteed, we are not going to be doing justice to your favorite SPB song, because there's so many. So like I keep saying, please keep commenting your favorite songs. We would love to know what your favorite songs are too. So talking about Tamil, let's start. The first song that you think of when we talk about Tamil, Kadal Roja. What do you say?
Unbelievably, one of the best songs that he has given us. காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே, கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே. காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே, கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே. கண்ணுக்குள் நீதான் நெஞ்சுக்குள் நீதான், கண்மூடி பார்த்தா நெஞ்சக்குள் நீதான், என்னாததோ ஏதானதோ சொல் சொல்.
Amazing.
Aha.
Roja in 3 languages, right? This
Yes.
was in 3 languages. So what is your favorite song that you like to perform on?
SPB sir's songs in Tamil languages are innumerable, and I cannot even count anything. And he has given the best songs in Tamil. And
And you say that for Telugu, and you say that for Kannada, and you say that for Hindi,
absolutely,
right?
because
All languages,
he never
yeah.
sang in one language. He sang
Right.
in the language of music.
Yes.
And the most, I think one of the songs that I really love in his singing in Tamil was இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறதே இதயம் வரை நனைகிறதே உலா போகும் மேகம் கனக்காடுமே விளக்காடுமே வானமே இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறதே இதயம் வரை நனைகிறதே.
Amazing. You sing so well.
There is a beautiful song of SP Sir always says this is one of his most favorite songs, composed by Vidyasagar, the music director. Like, Malare Maunama Mauname Vedama Malare Maunama மௌனமே வேதமா மலர்கள் மேகமா. This is a song that is composed by Vidyasagar for only Chitra and SP Sir.
Oof, amazing, beautiful.
You have to do this song with me one time in your life.
Definitely. Oh, that would be my pleasure to be actually learning this song and singing that. I would love it. Thank you.
This is SP Sir's one of the best songs that he always claims that, I don't know what gave you the credit of composition of this song.
Right. So, Simhadri, Ilayaraja and SPB go long way. And can you share for our SPB tribute today an Ilayaraja and SPB combination?
Without a doubt. These two human beings came to this earth as the messengers of music.
Definitely.
And we all are living with their contribution to the music. And the simplest thing that we can do is enjoy their music.
Yes.
And one of the best songs that I have grown up listening to, and I sometimes sing this song also. பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம் பனி விழும் மரவனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம். That's such a beautiful composition. I tell you, only stalwarts like Ilayaraja, I cannot say that. Ilayaraja Sir and SP Sir can do this. That's
Definitely. Amazing.
Nobody else on the face of this earth can do such compositions.
You said it. But I want to ask you one peppy song, one of my favorite songs actually, Tamil. Yennadi Meenakshi. Come on, I want to hear that one.
வார்த்தை தவறிவிட்டாய் கண்ணம்மா மார்பு துடிக்குதடி.
क्या बात है.
பாவை துடிக்குதெல்லாம் உன்னை போல் பார்வை தெடிக்குதடி. என்னடி மீனாட்சி சொன்னது என்னாச்சி நேற்றோடு நீ சொன்ன வார்த்தை காற்றோடு போயாச்சு. என்னடி மீனாட்சி சொன்னது என்னாச்சி நேற்றோடு நீ சொன்ன வார்த்தை காற்றோடு போயாச்சு.
Yes, போயாச்சு. Amazing, beautiful songs. He has amazing throw, amazing. He can go lower notes, he can go high notes, he can go fast, he can go slow. Amazing music. So chaliye, let's meet from our own #Showbiz production team. Sachin, welcome to #Showbiz.
Thank you, Usha. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So, we are talking about SPB sir.
Right.
And you have been lucky to meet him. So, I want to hear from you a few words about what your experience was.
Oh, it was one of the rarest moments of my life when I got a chance to meet SPB. We were actually shooting an interview of SP Balasubramanian when he came to US for his 50th performance and all.
Right.
So you know, I was behind the camera shooting the interviews and all. So once the interviews were done, all our crew members, like, they were taking selfies and
Right.
so being a singer myself, being a trained singer, and I have been listening to SP's songs since I was a child, and so I was just observing him, and I was just watching him, like he's standing right in front of me,
Right. Right.
and I was just thinking, like, what should I tell him, like how to
Right.
how to talk to him, like
Yeah.
I was completely blank, in fact. So I was just standing there, and
ऐसे लोग करते you get spellbound,
exactly.
बात भी नहीं कर सकते. Yeah.
Because that's its aura,
Right.
his personality is it's spellbound. So,
Yeah.
so I was just standing there and packing up my stuff. So all my colleagues, they were taking selfies and
Right,
taking
right.
photographs and all those things. To my surprise, he just called me. Hey, you don't want any picture with me?
अरे.
So, and he just called me. Come near me. And the moment I went near him, he hugged me.
Oh.
And he just took my
एक
phone.
झप्पी भी मिल गई.
बिल्कुल,
How
बिल्कुल,
lucky.
बिल्कुल. So he just took my phone. He gave the phone to one of my colleagues and asked him to take the picture. I really feel that is one of the most precious pictures I've ever got in my life.
But talking about SPB and you being a trained singer,
Yeah.
अभी तो यहाँ आए हो, SPB सर का प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, बिना गाए तो अब तो नहीं जा सकते,
बिल्कुल,
तो
बिल्कुल.
एक दो गाने हो जाए. Your favorite songs?
So I have been listening to SPB sir since my childhood, and I don't know from where to start exactly.
I think that was the same problem Simhadri ji too.
Yeah,
He was
because-
like trying to figure out कि कौन से गाने गाऊं, इतने सारे गाने हैं,
Right,
पर
right,
एक दो
right.
गाने तो हो जाए इनके आवाज से भी.
Right.
चलो.
Right. Okay, I can sing the Malayalam song.
Definitely.
Please.
He has sung many Malayalam songs, but there was one song that was a super hit in Malayalam, and like superstar Mammootty was.
Oh, yes.
in
Wow.
that song. तारापथं चेतोहरं प्रेमामृतं पेयुन्निदा നവമേഘമേ കുളിർ കൊണ്ടുവാ ഒരു ചെങ്കുറിഞ്ഞി പൂവിൻ മൃദു ചുംബനങ്ങൾ നൽകാൻ താരാപദം ചേതോഹരം പ്രേമാമൃതം പെയ്യുന്നിതാ.
अरे क्या बात है.
This song is if you listen to this song, it's the duet combination of flowing water, like the variations keeps on coming between Chitra ma'am and SPB sir.
Female
So,
and male.
yeah. So like it goes on like Sukhadameenali.
Hi, hi, hi.
La la la.
Oh,
So
kya
the
baat
way
hai.
SPB sir says la 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 la. Pranaya shalabhangal la 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 la. Anayumoragadoodumai സുഖദമീനാളി ലല്ലല്ല
अरे.
പ്രണയ ശലഭങ്ങൾ ലല്ലല്ല അണയുമോരാഗദൂതുമാ
क्या बात है?
സ്വർഗദീപശോഭയിൽ എന്നെ ഓർമ്മ പുൽകവേ മണ്ണിലാകെ നിന്റെ മന്ദഹാസം മാത്രം കണ്ടു ഞാൻ താരാപഥം
अरे क्या बात है.
ചേതോഹരം പ്രേമാമൃതം പെയ്യുന്നിതാ.
Woohoo.
क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Beautiful.
Thank you.
Future shows, please contact me for enquiries. Amazing, क्या बात है यार, बहुत अच्छे से गाता है.
thank you.
And I think SPB tribute पे you coming and sitting down, sharing your experiences, singing with that beautiful voice of yours, amazing. Thank you so much. I think the show really enriched with your singing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very nice. I love your singing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You know,
Thank
the
you.
the throw is fantastic. I love that because there is, you hit the notes there. It's very important.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I love it.
So there is one of my favorite Telugu songs by SPB. So I heard from one of my friends who's also a wonderful singer.
First of all, can I ask you, do you speak Telugu?
I don't speak Telugu, but I can understand Telugu.
Koncham
when you talk
koncham
about-
telusu.
Yes, koncham koncham telusu. But when you talk about music
Yes.
has no language. So
Definitely.
I do sing, like I sing Malayalam, Tamil, and I try to sing some of Telugu songs also.
Awesome. So, which song are you going to sing now?
There is a movie called Sitara, and there is a famous song from that is sung by SPB sir and Janaki Amma.
Okay.
Like it's called Jelibili Palukula Chilipiga Palikana.
Sounds good already.
Yeah.
Can we hear that?
Yeah, I'm just trying to sing this song because previously I had tried this with the karaoke track. So that time it went okay because of the track, it
Right.
compensates a lot of when you're singing. So I'll just try this song.
Definitely.
జిలిబిలి పలుకుల చిలిపిగ పలికన ఓ మైనా మైనా కిల కిల నగవుల వలపుల చిలికిన ఓ మైనా మైనా మిలమిల మెరిసిన తారా మిన్నుల విదిన సితారా మిలిమిల మెరిసిన తారా మిన్నుల విదిన సితారా మధువుల పెదవుల మమతలు విరిసిన ఓ మైనా కలలను పెంచును కత్తలు దాచను ఏమైనా ఓ మైనా జిలిపిలి పలుకుల చిలిపిగ పలికిన ఓ మైనా కిల కిల నగవుల వలపుల చిలికన ఓ మైనా అదగనులే చిరునామా ఓ మైనా చిరునవ్వే పుట్టిల్లు నీకైనా నాకైనా తారలగే సిగపువ్వా తారాడే సిరిమువ్వా తారలగే సిగపువ్వా తారాడే సిరమువ్వా హరివిల్లు రంగుల్లు వర్ణాలే చిలికిన చిలకవు లకవు పలకవు మైనా ఏమైనా జిలపిలి పలుకుల చిలిపిగ పలికిన ఓ మైనా కిల కిల నగవుల వలపుల చిలకున ఓ మైనా మిలమిల మెరిసిన తారా మిన్నుల విదిన సితారా మిలమిల మెరిసిన తారా మిన్నుల విదిన సితారా మధువుల పెదవుల మమతలు విరిసిన ఓ మైనా కలలను పెంచకు కత్తలు దాచకు ఏమైనా ఓ మైనా
क्या बात है ये गाना went through octaves. It went through octaves and it was like a breathless song. Lovely, beautiful. Again, I think this was the best tribute SPB sir could get as well, because this is a surprise for all of us. So thank you, Sachin. Thank you so much.
I would consider myself too lucky to give tribute to SPB sir in this way. So I hope, I know there was some minor mistakes in the Telugu lyrics, but I hope it went well.
No, it was amazing. Thank you so much.
With lyrics, it's always a compensation, no doubt about it. But the dedication that you give to a singer and the dedication that you give to music is what matters. Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
Again, this was a beautiful SPB celebration is what I'm going to say. We are going to be celebrating his life. 40,000 plus songs, 54 years of music that he has given us. Please keep enjoying his music and please keep sharing it, because most of his songs always keep saying be happy. He talks about happiness. He keeps saying, enjoy the happiness you have. And I think his life is the biggest example to say, live for today. Live for today. So thank you again, Sachin and Simhadri ji, for coming and helping us give whatever छोटा सा जो tribute हम दे सकते थे उनके इस जीवन के लिए. I think that is what we try to do. And like I always say, please keep sharing your favorite songs. Thank you again. And that's all, folks, for this special episode of your now favorite show, Hashtag Showbiz, with me, Usha. Like I always say, what happens here definitely does not stay here. And I think this episode was a real example for you. Whatever was happening in the studio definitely came to you as well. Keep watching Hashtag Showbiz on Indus TV. Like I always say, please subscribe to Indus TV channel on YouTube, and definitely, yes, press on the bell icon so you can get all our new episodes that usually get released every single week.